In this model, you will learn the basics of wholesaling in real estate, including its definition, the role of a wholesaler in a real estate transaction, and the benefits and drawbacks of wholesaling. Definition of wholesaling in real estate. Wholesaling is a process of finding properties that are underpriced or distressed, contracting them to a lower price, and then assigning the contract to another buyer for a higher price. In other words, a wholesaler acts as a middleman between a motivated seller and a buyer who is interested in purchasing the property. So, the wholesalers assign the contracts to these buyers, earning a profit in the process. The difference between the contracted price and the assigned price represents their profit margin. In this way, the wholesalers facilitate the transaction between the motivated sellers and the buyers, making a profit by bridging the gap between the underpriced or distressed properties and the interested buyers. Wholesalers in real estate seek out opportunities, negotiate contracts, and connect sellers and buyers. By utilizing their expertise, they create value and earn profits by efficiently navigating the market. An overview of the role of a wholesaler in a real estate transaction. A wholesaler is responsible for finding properties that are suitable for wholesale deals, negotiating a price lower with the seller, and then signing the contract to a buyer. The wholesaler does not actually buy the property, but rather assigns the contract to a buyer who is willing to pay a higher price. It's like being the matchmaker of a real estate, connecting sellers and buyers with a profit, without ever owning the property. Benefits of wholesaling. Wholesaling can be a lucrative business for those who are willing to put in the effort. Some benefits of wholesaling include low barrier to entry. Wholesaling does not require a lot of money to get started, making it accessible to anyone who is willing to put in the effort. Fast turnaround. Because wholesaling involves finding properties, they are already underpriced or distressed. The turnaround time for deals can be relatively quick. No need for real estate license. Unlike other real estate professions, wholesalers do not need to be licensed to operate. Drawbacks of wholesaling. While there are many benefits to wholesaling, there are also some drawbacks to consider. Some of these include 1. Competitive market. Because wholesaling is a popular method for investing in real estate, competition is fierce. 2. Limited potential for profit. Wholesalers typically make a profit by assigning a contract to a buyer, which means that your profit is limited by the difference between the contracted price and the assigned price. 3. Reputation. Some people view wholesalers as middlemen who are taking advantage of distressed sellers and buyers, which can damage their reputation in the industry. In summary, wholesaling in real estate involves finding underpriced properties, negotiating lower prices, and assigning contracts to buyers for a profit. It offers a low barrier to entry and fast turnaround times. However, the competitive market and limited profit potential are factors to consider. Wholesalers act as middlemen, but their reputation can be impacted due to perceptions of taking advantage of distressed parties.